Hello, the internet. Donna here. I wanted to talk to you about something that I'm tired of today. My husband made the most amazing steak fajitas for dinner, and I tried to eat one, and I can't because there's too much connective tissue in the steak, and my chompers can't handle it. He and Pete are in there happily munching on the fajita goodness, and I have this because I can't eat what they're eating. And I'm tired of that. I mean, I understand that denture teeth can't handle everything that natural teeth can, but you know, I should be able to eat what I want to eat. And I think that the quality of the teeth that I have in my mouth have something to do with that. I know that the porcelain teeth do a much better job at ripping through meat and crunching things up. And I can eat mostly anything that I want, but there's something about the the cooked beef, the fajita meat, the I can eat steak. I can eat steak without an issue. I can eat pork chops. I can eat chicken. I can eat just about any other meat that I want to eat. But this thin sliced steak and some cuts off of the brisket give me trouble. And I just wanted to come on here and vent a little bit and say that I'm tired of it. I am looking forward to getting new dentures with new teeth and seeing how they do with the fajita steak because I want some freaking fajitas. Oh my god. Leave me a comment below. What's something that you can't eat that you miss that you wish you could eat again? I would be interested to see everybody's responses. So that's it for me. Just a short little rant. Thank you for listening. Take care of each other, be good to each other, and until next time, bye.